Making money during your free time is a great way to pay off debt, build up your savings account, and earn more disposable income. Whether you're a working class, a student, a stay-at-home mom, it doesn't matter. If you desire to boost your income, explore business opportunities with little or no upfront cost and flexible timing, then you need to watch this video till the end. Hello, my name is Tracy. If this is your first time tuning in, you are welcome. And for a while now, we've been working towards eliminating financial flaws. As I reveal secret tips that will help you make money, save more money, and grow wealth. If this sounds like something that is of interest to you, then consider subscribing to this channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell just so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 10 legit, legal, and possible side hustle ideas to help you earn extra money remotely and at your convenience. The last side hustle idea that I'm going to reveal is going to blow your mind. So watch this video till the end so you don't miss out on the last point. Let's start with the first point. Fiverr is a global online marketplace that connects freelancers to businesses who need them. Becoming a freelancer is one sure way to earn extra cash. Whether you're a graphic designer, a digital marketer, a writer and translator, if you're good with video editing and animation, then consider creating an account with these online platforms. Showcase your skill set on Fiverr, Upwork and TopTal to start earning. Links to some of the best freelancing websites that is legit will be attached in the description below, so do well to check them out. If you have an academic, musical, fine art or sports skills, you need to consider tutoring and instruction as a way to monetize your skill. Tutors and personal instructors are always on demand, and in fact, remote learning has now become a thing. You can offer tutoring services to your contacts and on your social media. You can also sign up as a tutor on tutoring platforms that connect with folks looking for tutors. Number 3. Self-publishing ebooks. This is perfect for writers. However, you don't need to be a skilled writer to cash in on this opportunity. If you can craft a creative story or explain how to do something, you can decide to hire ghostwriters and editors to complete and polish your work. All you have to do is simply publish your book on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing and other ebook platforms like Smashwords, Barnes & Noble Press, Lulu, and others. Then wait for your royalties to start rolling in. But if you're a passionate writer and you don't mind writing your book by yourself, or if you are an editor, you can decide to publish your own ebook or help others who do not have the strength to write their books or edit their books for them. Just help them polish it and then earn cool money by doing that. You can also consider turning your baking passion into a side hustle by selling tablets, cakes, cookies, scones, and more. Offer them on online websites, or you could even sell to local restaurants. This is not only for bakers. If you're a passionate cook, this applies to you as well. Something else you can do is start a YouTube channel. Gathering a following does not happen overnight. However, if you're willing to invest your time into building a following with consistent content creation, over time you could start making money online with your YouTube channel. You can join the YouTube Partner Program and then move on to monetize your content by advertising or charging a channel membership. Something else you can do is list your car on car sharing marketplaces and rent it. Make sure to understand how to price your rentals. If you have a car that you don't use, or if you won't use your car over a period of days, you can monetize that under used capital. Just be sure that you don't rent it when in reality you need it to get to your day job, unless your day job pays less than renting your car. Some people go as far as buying a car and then leasing that car out to a driver on a contract base where the driver remits an agreed sum to them every week. However you want to do it, don't forget to insure your car before renting it out to protect yourself and the vehicle in case of unforeseen accidents. If you have an extra room or storage space in your garage, you can rent it. If you're going to rent a room, consider renting it on a platform that caters to weekend travelers, tourists, or those on vacations who do not wish to stay at the hotel to save costs. You may want to consider Airbnb too, but if you want to rent long term, you can rent a room to a traveling nurse or someone who will be in the area for several months. But don't forget to check with your home insurance provider to see what coverage you have for renting that extra room. Additionally, it is wise to explore home warranty options to help you save on repair costs and provide added peace of mind to both you and your tenants. If you are naturally talented with hair, you can decide to offer your services for weddings, proms, birthday parties, and other events. Let your contacts and those around you know what you do. Show them pictures to prove it if need be. Also do some research and see if you are ready to attend cosmetology or any professional training program that will qualify you as a professional hairstylist. These are some of the things that professional makeup artists do, and I think that hairstylists can do the same. Consider low-cost online platforms like Udemy, Thinkific, and Podia if you wish to sell a course. They are going to walk you through the course creation process and help you pair courses with personalized coaching. You can also add courses and members-only content to website platforms like WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, and others to help create your own branded platform. And this brings me to the last side hustle idea, and that is social media manager. This is something I've personally benefited from. Many companies are willing to invest heavily in maintaining an online social media presence. You can work remotely, promote a company or business on Facebook and Instagram. But you need to know how to optimize the platform and the contents by using the right keywords, set up a good outlook, and just know how to use general marketing analytics and you're good to go. You must develop a strong communication skills and master the use of social media. While there are many side hustles that you can do remotely from your home, other side hustles might require you to travel around your city. It is therefore important to identify a side hustle that works for your lifestyle, interests, and schedule. Links to some of the sites that I mentioned will be in the description, so feel free to check it out. Please like this video if you haven't already. This will help YouTube to suggest my videos even more. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. In the meantime, I have another interesting video for you to watch. I need you to click on the video suggestion on your screen right here, and I'll see you in this video right now.